Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to work with an email that you don't want to get. Maybe it's a junk email or maybe you want it to go someplace else. But for this tutorial, we're going to work with email that we consider junk. There's an email right here that I'm going to click on and I'm going to then right click. So first I clicked on it just to select it, then I right clicked on the email, and when I do that you'll notice down below I have some options. There's something called rules, which I'll get to later, but there's also something called junk. So I go down to junk and I have some options here. I can block the sender, and the reality of the situation is a lot of times when junk email is sent, they send it from different addresses. So even if I block the sender like I'm going to do right now, when I click on this, that email went away. So now if I want to do it for another one like this one, I'm going to right click and click on junk again and block sender. And that one will go away. So what will happen is it will go typically into the junk email box and stay there until you permanently delete it. So that's just a quick way to mark things as junk, but just so you know, it's not always effective because they change up things and there's other ways you can manage this in greater detail. But for now, that's just a simple approach to marking junk. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Bye now.